How to fix WhatsApp web QR code not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve login and QR code scanning issues on WhatsApp web. First, make sure your internet connection is stable on both your phone and your computer before trying to scan again. After that, refresh the WhatsApp web page on your browser to generate a fresh QR code, as expired codes will not scan correctly. From there, make sure your phone camera is clean and there is enough lighting when scanning. A dirty lens or poor lighting can prevent the QR code from being detected. At this point, on your Android device, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on Linked Devices. In the next step, tap on Link a Device and point your camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Following this, if it still fails, go to your home screen and long press on WhatsApp, then tap the Info or I button. Once done, tap on Storage and clear the cache, then force stop the app and reopen it. Finally, try scanning the QR code one more time. If the issue persists, restart both your phone and your computer and attempt the login again from scratch. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you fix your QR code scanning issue, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.